Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another cocktails.com video. Here we have on demonstration is our spring assisted knife, the Sandstorm. The handle measures about 4.5 inches in length, and there are some sandpaper-like material on the handle for a better grip. There is also a belt clip. The handle measures about 4.5 inches in length, and there are some grooves here for better gripping. The blade on this measures about 3.5 inches in length, and when this knife is fully open, it measures about 8 inches in length. If you have any questions regarding this or would like to get one today, feel free to visit us at cocktails.com.